Hello and welcome to my channel. This is the North Edge Mars 3 watch and I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on this watch. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, and that is the mode when the watch tells the time, press and hold the upper left button until you hear the beep. So let's go. And there it is. First in a row of settings is setting our home city, and you shuffle it by pressing the upper or lower right button. My time zone is Paris time zone, so I'm going to keep pressing it until I get it to Paris time zone. And there it is. It says Paris on the digital subdial. Next up, I'm going to press the mode button, and now I'm in position of setting my daylight saving time mode. Is it on or off? It's shuffled using the start button, so you shuffle it between on or off by pressing the start button. I'm gonna turn it off because it is off in my time zone. Press the mode button again, and we move on to setting our 12 or 24 hour time format. Pressing the start button, you shuffle your time format between 12 and 24 hour time. I'm gonna leave it at 24 hour time format. Next up, press the mode button again, and we move on to setting our seconds value. You cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset it to 0 by pressing the start button. Once you have done with your settings of your seconds, press the mode button, and now I'm setting my hour value. Press the start or light button, so lower or upper right button, to shuffle your hour value. Once I've set it, I'm going to press the mode button, and now I'm setting my minutes value over here. I believe you can see it. It's blinking 56, but I can decrease it or increase it by pressing one of those two buttons. Next up, press the mode button again, and now I'm setting my year value. It says 2025, but you can decrease it by pressing the upper or increase it by pressing the lower right button. I'm gonna get it to 2025. Next up, press the mode button again, and now I'm setting my month value. It's flashing number 10, but I can decrease it or increase it by pressing the start button. So one of these two increases or decreases the month value. Press the mode button, and now we are setting our day value. You can set the day value by pressing the upper or lower right button, so procedure is the same, as well as for setting the time, hours, minutes, and now the day value. Press the mode button, and now we are muting or unmuting our watch. When it says key, the watch will ring a tone or sound itself when you press these buttons, but when I press the start button, it says the watch is now muted. So muted or unmuted, key stands for on, muted, it's off. I'm gonna leave it at on. Press the mode button again, and now I'm changing my illumination duration. What it is? Well, essentially this number over here is equal to the number of seconds that the light will stay on when you press the light button. You can shuffle it between 1 and 3. 1 stands for 1.5 seconds, and 3 stands for 3 seconds of illumination duration on the watch face when you press the start button. Sorry, the light button. I'm gonna leave it at 1, hence the 1.5 illumination duration. Press the mode button again, and now we are back at the beginning, which means that we have ran through the cycle of setting the time and date on this watch. To implement the settings, simply press the adjust button. The watch will go back to the standard timekeeping mode, and the digital time over here should correspond to the analog time over here. If it does not correspond, check out the video on my channel on how to align those watch hands. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.